Origin, distribution, and behavior of soils is one of those classes that makes me excited about becoming a civil engineer. Before this, I didn't think much about soil, but now I get it. Nearly every project depends on it, and honestly, I love getting my hands dirty. Pennsylvania College of Technology is all about hands-on learning, and this class proves it. We head into the community to collect soil samples, then test them in the lab. We study how moisture, composition, and compaction affect soil's strength, density, and permeability, key factors in construction. Activities like this make math and science come alive. I'm not just solving equations, I'm seeing how variables behave in the real world. This experience is shaping my future. I'll use what I'm learning in advanced courses, and thanks to this class, I'm even considering a career in geotechnical or structural engineering.